Within our product offering, we have the Move content, and we also have the Mind content. And within the Move content, we also use the Silver, the lower intensity exercise program, which then allows us to cover our whole membership demographic. Yeah, so when we talk about being the one-stop shop, a very big hole in our offering was the ability to connect with our members outside that face-to-face membership. So it's one thing to give hard copy programs or some access to just simple weights delivered resistance training programs, but being able to deliver education in a well-formatted, clinical way is really tough to continue to produce yourself. Content is a lot of work. And to keep that content up to date, fresh, and backed by experts, Wellness Solutions just offered that one solution for us with regards to the education piece. And then on top of that, being able to supplement our face-to-face services with great Move content, such as the breath, the meditation, the yoga, the cardio, the strength. It just covered all of those aspects. So we really use it as the member can use it just as our digital membership. If they just want to be a digital member, they've definitely got access to that. But it really supplements our face-to-face services, from being able to do a stretch using their own device once they finish a personal training session, or being able to use our app with the Wellness Solutions content when they're at work. If they want to transition between a difficult meeting and their next phone call, they've got Willows there with the breath series. So we really use the content to allow us to become part of the everyday life of our members, not just when they're in the centre. We started our journey just before COVID hit, so it certainly was a lifesaver with regards to being able to provide such a great service to our members during that COVID shutdown period. We did still produce our own content, but the ability to supplement what we do with the mountains of content that Wellness Solutions provide was just amazing. And the feedback of help that solution offered, that the Willows family were able to offer with the partnership with Wellness Solutions, was amazing with regards to allowing to alleviate their stress, using the education with their whole family, not just with the member that is attached to Willows. And also had a real impact in the community, where people was talking about how we were using that content and how we were digitally connecting everyone during that time. Now that we're back and have members in the centre, it really fast-tracked the education for our members of how to use the content well. And I think we're all facing this as face-to-face service providers, that our membership-based and our communities have changed. They understand digital a whole lot more, and they expect more. So the ability Wellness Solution gives us to be able to meet that expectation is massive for us. But yeah, it has been so pleasing, and the engagement levels have been really high. We track all of that. And we were able to have 650 members on our digital membership during the COVID shutdown, and we're paying a membership fee during that period. So that was a real lifesaver for us during that period. Some have continued to stay on their digital membership even though we've opened up. So I think we've still got about 350 that are choosing just to use their digital membership. I think it's looking really closely at your product offering and the membership offerings that you do have, and how quality content, can really increase your ability to connect with more members, but also increase what the membership value is. So everyone's talking about value with regards to what they can bring. And there's an array of digital offerings out there. As an owner, I want to be part of that conversation. I don't want my members walking around with other products on their phones, and their connection is to the device, not to our fitness center. So if a cheaper price comes up at another face-to-face facility, or it's very easy to leave because their connection is with whatever digital offering they've got on that phone. We want to be that digital offering on the phone that they're walking around with, as well as providing great face-to-face services and bringing that content to life for our members as well. We use the Wellness Solutions content as part of our well-being campaigns every 30 days. And we take pieces of the content and provide that to our members in our well-being campaign, whether it's around mental health, whether it's around nutrition, whether that's around greater movement, bringing to life the different aspects of the content to allow our members to connect with it each day.